Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the TECLAST T65Max 13-inch Android tablet, a large screen device built for streaming, casual gaming, and everyday multitasking. With a big display, solid storage, and Android 14, it sounds very impressive on paper. So if you are considering picking up, you can just check out the link of it in the description box below. So the TECLAST T65 Max features a 13-inch display with 1920 x 1200 resolution, giving you a spacious viewing experience for the movies, YouTube, and browsing. The screen is sharp enough for streaming and general use, and the larger size makes it great for travel or family entertainment. Under the hood, it's powered by the Helio G99 octa-core processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. You can also expand the storage via micro SD, which is a big plus if you download a lot of content. Running on Android 14, it is going to give you access to the latest applications and the features from the Google Play Store. In the real world performance, it handles everyday tasks like browsing, video streaming, and social media smoothly. Casual gaming runs well, but during more graphically demanding games, you may notice the occasional stutters. So while it is marketed as gaming capable, it's better suited for the casual gamers rather than the competitive or high performance gaming. The battery life is a strong point here. It lasts around 10 hours for regular usage with 18-volt fast charging. Downtime is also minimal. The built-in speakers are decent for streaming, and the tablet's lightweight design makes it portable despite the large screen. The build quality feels very sturdy, enough for everyday family usage, and the user interface is also very simple and easy to navigate. So if you want a large 13-inch tablet for streaming, multitasking, and casual gaming at a budget friendly price, it's a solid option. But if you need high-end gaming power or professional level performance, you may want something more powerful. So if you are interested in the product, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.